Happy Sunday, guys. This is Mabel Perez, your real estate maven with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Network Realty. I'm here to tell you the difference today between being pre-qualification and pre-approval. So I'm going to jump right in. Pre-qualification is really the first step that you will take as a buyer to determine how much home you can afford. That process really involves you reaching out to a lender and answering their questions about income and any assets you have and funds available to purchase a home. During that process, the lender will also run your credit report, again, to determine what other liabilities you have, like a car payment or any student loans or any credit cards or just anything that you are obligated to pay for on a monthly basis. The pre-qualification process is really great and really the first thing you should do. It helps not only determine how much home you can afford, it also many times makes buyers and consumers aware of things on their credit report that they had no idea existed. So in order to prevent any surprises, during the, finance and underwriting process, it's always great to run that credit report and, find out if there's anything on there that you aren't aware about that you can get fixed, before you get into the offer making mode, right, of home buying. Pre-approval goes a step further. In addition to answering questions for your lender and them running your credit, they also at this point will require and will ask for documentation on income, investments, and any other financial information that that is needed to really approve, right, or pre-approve what it is that you can afford on a home. Now, in terms of buying a home, a pre-approval carries more weight than a pre-qualification. A pre-qualification, again, is based on what your stated income is and any other information that you verbally provide to the lender, along with them running your credit report. Pre-approval is your credit report. They're also going to ask you questions. However, they're going to ask for documentation on those things. So they're going to ask for bank statements, W-2s, income tax returns, etc. So when you are, starting to work with your realtor, you're going to want to, again, do the pre-qualification first. That way we can work together to, look at those homes that are within your price point. It also helps you during the pre-qualification to really understand if there's anything on there that shouldn't be on there, or something that's on your credit report that you totally forgot about. Believe it or not, there are many people who, there are many people whose financing falls through because of what some would consider very trivial things or really old things on your credit report. So don't let that happen. Get pre-qualified, and as soon as you get pre-qualified, start working with your lender on that pre-approval process. So that's your your info bite. Please comment below and let me know what topics you want to hear about and whether or not you have any additional questions for me. So checking out. I hope you guys had a fun weekend and that you stayed cool in this 100-degree weather. So yeah, I'm checking out, and I will see you all later this week. Thanks.